If you hit a wall every afternoon around 2 or 3 o'clock, you're not alone. That sudden drop in energy, focus, and motivation is one of the most common complaints I hear, and most people respond the same way. More coffee, something sweet, or just pushing through it. The problem is, those quick fixes usually make the crash worse later. Today I'm going to break down why the afternoon energy crash happens, and more importantly, what actually helps. These are simple changes that don't require a complicated routine or perfect discipline. There are a few main reasons this happens to so many of us. First, blood sugar. If your lunch was mostly refined carbs or you skipped a solid source of protein, your blood sugar can rise quickly and then drop a couple of hours later. That drop is what leaves you feeling foggy and tired. Second, hydration. A lot of people drink water in the morning and then forget about it. By mid-afternoon, even mild dehydration can make you feel sluggish and less focused. Third, you've been sitting. When you stay in one position for hours, circulation slows and your body starts to feel heavy. Movement is one of the fastest ways to signal your body to wake back up. Fourth, there's a natural dip in alertness that happens in the early afternoon for most people. It's part of your circadian rhythm. You can't completely eliminate it, but you can make it much milder. And finally, if you didn't get enough protein or balanced food earlier in the day, your body simply doesn't have steady fuel to work with. None of these are dramatic. They're everyday things that quietly add up. The most common response is reaching for another coffee or something sugary. That gives you a short boost followed by an even bigger crash. You're basically borrowing energy from later in the day. Another mistake is trying to power through without changing anything. You stay at your desk, keep scrolling, and hope it passes. It usually doesn't. It just drags on. The goal isn't to force yourself to feel energetic. It's to remove the things that are making the crash worse and give your body what it actually needs. Here are the things that make the biggest difference for most people. 1. Fix the mid-afternoon fuel. Instead of chips, candy, or another coffee, have something with protein and a little fiber or fat. A few easy options: Greek yogurt, a cheese stick with a handful of almonds, cottage cheese, or a ready-to-drink protein shake. This helps stabilize blood sugar instead of spiking it. 2. Move for just a few minutes. You don't need a full workout. A 5 to 10 minute walk, even just around the house or outside, makes a noticeable difference. If you can't walk, stand up and stretch, or do a few simple movements. The point is to change your physical state. 3. Drink a real amount of water, not tiny sips. Drink a full glass. If you want to make it more effective, add a pinch of salt or drink it at room temperature. Many people notice they feel clearer within 15 to 20 minutes. 4. Get some natural light if you can. Step near a window or go outside for a couple of minutes. Light helps regulate your alertness and can reduce that heavy afternoon feeling. 5. Take a short mental reset. Close your eyes for 60 seconds, take 3 slow breaths, or simply look away from your screen. It sounds small, but it interrupts the drained feeling and helps you reset. You don't have to do all 5 every day. Even 2 or 3 of these, done consistently, usually make the afternoon much more manageable. Here's an easy way to put it together. Around 1:30 to 2 o'clock, drink a full glass of water. Have a high-protein snack if you feel hunger or energy dipping. Take a short walk or movement break. Get a little light if possible. That's it. No long routine. Just a few targeted actions when you normally start to fade. The afternoon crash isn't a personal failure. It's usually a mix of blood sugar, hydration, movement, and natural body rhythms. Once you start addressing those, most people notice they feel more steady without needing extra caffeine. Try 1 or 2 of these tomorrow and see how you feel.